If you're seeing the MSN error that says try again later, or you're getting stuck on a Microsoft sign-in loop, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. This is usually caused by a browser session issue, bad cookies, or corrupted cache files, and the good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without any advanced tech skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, try the quickest bypass method. Open a private browser window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. This gives you a fresh session without using the background cookies from your regular browser. Once the private window opens, go directly to outlook.live.com or go to msn.com if that's the site giving you trouble. Then try logging in again. If the sign-in works in private mode, that's a strong sign that your main browser cache or cookies are causing the problem. Next, if the issue is still happening, we need to clear the broken temporary files from your browser. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the privacy menu right away. In the time range dropdown, change it to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the error. Then, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two most common things that cause Microsoft login pages to get stuck or loop endlessly. After that, click Clear Data. Once the cleanup is complete, fully close all open browser windows. Don't just minimize the browser, make sure it is completely shut down, then reopen it and try signing in again at outlook.live.com or msn.com. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the error and get you back into your account. If you still see the same message, there's one more thing you should check. Visit Downdetector and look up the status of Microsoft services. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. If Microsoft's page or login services are having a temporary outage, you may need to wait until the service comes back online. So to recap, start with the private window, test the login again, then clear your cookies and cache, fully restart the browser, and finally check Downdetector for any Microsoft outage reports. These steps solve the most common MSN and Microsoft login errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.